Hello everyone, this is Engineer Neelakantheswar Biswal and you are watching Koraput Iti online classes. In this video, I'll be creating this isometric view by using the dimension of this orthographic projection. As you can see on your screen, there are two isometric orthographic projections of top view and front view. I will use these dimensions and I'll be creating this isometric view. So just have a look at the orthographic projections and the dimensions. Be careful with the dimensions because if we miss the dimension and if the dimension will be changed, then the drawing will be completely changed. The isometric drawing, how it exactly looks, will not be the same after creating the isometric view with wrong dimensions. So look at the dimensions very carefully. Okay. First of all, you need to select from which orthography projection you have to create or you will be create the isometric view. I would prefer top view so that it will be easier for me to create the isometric view from the top view using the press pull and AutoCAD. Let me tell you, the whole drawing procedure is going to be live in AutoCAD. Okay, so this is top view. Just look at the dimensions. First of all, let you understand that there is a rectangle of 56 into 32 mm, and there are two rectangles inside the rectangle at the top left corner and bottom right corner of 8 into 16 mm dimensions, and the third rectangle is at the center of having dimension 12 into 16 mm. Okay, after creating this top view, I will be use the command of press pull and create this isometric view. But to create this, I need to understand the height. What will be the height of every part? The height of this portion is going to be 12 mm, and this portion is going to be 8 mm. So I hope you understand the exact dimension of this drawing. So without wasting any more time, let's move to the AutoCAD. So here we are with AutoCAD. First of all, we need to create a rectangle of 56 into 32 mm. I will use the line command or line option. The base will be 56 mm at just because it is a rectangle. All the four angles are 90 degree. So in 90 degree, the height will be 32 mm. Again, the opposite parallel line for the base is 56 mm, and just join the lines. Okay. Now we've successfully created the rectangle. At the top left corner, another rectangle of dimension 16 into 8 mm. Okay, just from the point, just from the point towards right, the dimension will be 16 and the height is 8 mm. Simply join the line. Same goes for the next rectangle in the position of bottom right corner, 16, height is 8 mm. Again, join it. Okay, and at the center, the rectangle of having dimension 12 into 16 mm. Okay, I will use offset command. Okay, offset is nothing but a command present in AutoCAD, which will help you. Just click on, yeah, it will create concentric circles, parallel lines, and parallel curves. So I would use this command to create a parallel line. Okay, this is the line, and the dimension, uh, it, it will ask you to type the dimension, and the dimension is 20 mm. Same goes for this line also, and the dimension is 20 mm. Dimension, that means the distance between the two lines, because we have created a parallel line, so distance between the two lines is 20 mm. Same, just from the point towards the bottom, I will leave 10 mm and join the line. Same goes for the bottom line and slope, 10 mm and join the line. Okay, by using trim command, we can remove or erase the unwanted lines, parts. Okay, Now we have successfully created the diagram. Okay, now it's the time to convert it into a 3D diagram. Just go to this option from mechanical to 3D basics. You'll get these options. Okay, and the view is top view. Just click at this position. It will be redirect you to the southwest isometric view. Here I will use the press pull option, and the height is 8 mm, as we have noticed in the drawing. And both the rectangles of having height is total of 20 mm, and from this point it will be 12 mm. So I have typed 20 mm. Again, this is also going to be 20 mm. Okay, just change the visualize from 2D frame to hidden. Now this is the drawing we have discussed earlier. Okay, now you can see that there are three different parts of this drawing. We need to make it a single drawing or single part. Just use the union option, select the parts and click enter. Now it's a unit. Okay, now I will show you how it looks at the top view. This is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the side view. How it exactly looks. Okay, this is a isometric view. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned, stay connected with Koraput Iti online classes, and we are having such more interesting videos.